Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do cornrow. If this is your first time here on my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon right beside it, because that's what will notify you whenever I upload new videos. Please watch and see how I do it. Here I'm creating the pattern for the style I'm going to be doing. Here is the size of hair that I'm going to cornrow. Here I'm going to take a small portion of the hair at the beginning and then divide it into three. As you can see, you do it as if you want to braid. Before you can do cornrow, you have to know how to braid. So you divide the hair into three as you saw me at first, then you start to braid it, then you continue adding a little bit of hair at a time. As you are going backward, you braid backward and keep on adding the hair as you braid, as you can see. I'm going to be doing another one, so please watch carefully and see how I do it.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you.
Here you can decide to braid the end or twist it. You do a 2-strand twist, as you can see, whichever way you like it. But I'm going to be twisting the ends for easy takedown whenever she wants to take it.
Come back, be with me.
I'm done with the cornrow, and this is how it came out. Very simple and beautiful. So thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to click on the subscribe button below, and also a bell icon will pop up right beside it. Click on that too and choose from the option that says all. Choose all from the option, because that's what will notify you whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Feel free to share this video. Thank you, and also give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.